Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Story Time. I don't know what you guys do at your school, but at Emerson, every Friday, the teachers like to dress up in our Emerson cheetah gear so that we can show our cheetah spirit. Well, Miss Walsh has been teaching at Emerson for 6 years now. So what do you think 6 years worth of Cheetah Fridays means? It means I own a lot of cheetah clothes, and I love it. But it got me thinking, I haven't gotten to wear my cheetah clothes for 5 weeks because that's how long schools have been closed. And I was feeling really sad this morning that I haven't had a single Friday to get all dressed up. Normally, when I'm teaching, I like to wear my jeans and a t-shirt because in kindergarten, we get messy. And I like dressing to get messy. But Fridays is my fun day where I get to get a little more dressed up because I think it's kind of fun. And then I realized that while we've been home, I've mostly just been in my sweatpants every day because why would I bother getting dressed if no one was going to see me anyway? And that got me thinking, you know, some people love getting dressed up and it makes them feel really good about themselves. And some people love wearing their sweatpants and that makes them feel really good about themselves. And one thing about being a girl is sometimes people expect you to dress a certain way. On days when I don't wear makeup, sometimes people ask me if I look tired. Rude! But I do love wearing makeup and that's okay too. So today we're going to read a book all about being a beautiful girl, which means getting to be whoever you are and wearing whatever makes you feel amazing. This book is called Beautiful. And the great thing about this book is that it is written in both English and Spanish. This book was written by Stacy McAnulty and illustrated by Joanne Lew-Vriethoff. Beautiful girls have the perfect look. Beautiful girls move gracefully when they play soccer or baseball or basketball or even football. Because if you don't know how to move gracefully, do you think you would be really good at playing sports? Even athletes need to know how to move. And they light up every room. Beautiful girls know all about makeup. What did they use makeup to become? Yeah, pirates. Check out that awesome pirate makeup. That looks like a fun game I want to play. And have a smart style. Look, this girl is out collecting bugs in her science notebook. Ooh, it looks like they're brewing up some really cool chemistry. And this scientist over here is tinkering with some electronics, maybe to see if she can make this race car move by itself. Beautiful girls, smile sweetly. Yum! Look at those oranges. Those look delicious. And keep their hair properly in place. Does it look like they are having so much fun? I totally agree. Beautiful girls smell like flowers. Yeah, because we like to dig outside in the flowers. And sound like songbirds. Beautiful girls love to look in the mirror. Raise your hand if you like making silly faces at yourself in the mirror. I do. And to spend time with beautiful people. Oh my gosh, look at all the amazing skills they have. Look at all the different instruments they can play and sing, and look at how exciting their audience looks for them. Beautiful girls deserve compliments. Whoa! Stunning! Awesome! Because they make the world beautiful. Because it's all about who you are. So, what kind of beautiful girl are you? Draw a picture of yourself when you feel most beautiful. And remember, that doesn't have to mean what you look like. It means what you feel like. Don't forget to share your drawings with me. Until next time, bye!